doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch back again with another paintless dent repair video. This time around we have a Subaru with a nasty crease in the fender. Let the camera kind of focus here, but we have a 24-inch crease in the fender that we're going to try to repair in a few hours because we need to get back to the shop. I was blessed enough to be able to work inside of their body shop today, and I'm gonna take advantage of it. So let's get to the repair. So this will be my constant heat, but I'm going to flash it with my propane heat gun before I start, because the panel is very cold. You probably saw that the car was obviously left outside and all that good stuff, and it is snow on the ground. You probably saw all of that anyway, but I'm going to have this as my constant heat, just keeping that panel nice and warm for me. And for all you tech guys, I'm probably going to warm it up to about 90 to 110 and keep that panel consistent, or the area that I'm working on, keep that around 110, 100 degrees. So that's the plan. Well, I figured out how to turn on the heat in the shop, so kudos to me. And I just prepped the crease, about to turn on my lights, and the tool I'm gonna use. And so for the tool I want to use is the stand liner pirate hook, and I'm going to be doing that rolling action that he talks about. I don't get a lot of opportunities to do it just because of leverage. Now he does make one that has a bigger a bigger angle, a larger angle or different degree. This will probably be a little bit better for this situation, but just by testing it out, I may be okay. We'll see. It worked okay. It's probably the number 2 tool of the bunch. And I tried to use all my double bends from Ultra. That's what I would have repaired that crease with. But the tool that really stuck out was this stand liner tool. This was my finishing tool, and I basically used the very tip of the edge and then the side of the tool. So this tool was, like I said, is my finishing tool. I spent about an hour with this tool in and out of that fender. You'll probably see in the video. So stand liner, I don't know what it's called, raised snake, or I don't know. But now for the tool that pretty much got the entire crease out really clean was the pirate hook from stand liner. This is the basic one, the generation 1. I think he has another one in there that he sells now. I don't know the difference. He says that it's a thinner and longer. I don't know. I have the regular pirate hook. that he sold me almost a year, about 7 months ago. So this is the tool, stand liner, pirate hook. Got the entire crease out. And certain parts of that crease required me to leverage off the tire. Well, all of it required me to leverage off the tire. And this was the tool of choice as my hand just got fatigued. I had to stop it down just because of the bend in the stand liner tool. But I believe this is the Edgy Tools like tire wedge leverage. I don't know, but it's Edgy Tools. Basically leverage off your tire and not your hand. Last but not least, my blending hammer of choice. This is a custom made blending hammer from Brian at Dent Zone. He does not make this for anybody, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to persuade him. So leave a comment below if you want me to start selling this, or at least have him start selling this. But this is the knockdown blending hammer of choice. And then I've been playing around with the Edgy no roll knockdown. This time around I was just using the tip. It's a chrome tip. I'm sorry, a polished tip. And that's what I've used majority of the repair. Alright guys, let me show you the finished repair.